In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can instantly switch between races inside of the Forge so that you can take advantage of different race perks depending on your situation. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you can switch, you are going to need to have more than one race unlocked. If you only have one, you could press T to open up your inventory section right here, and then go ahead and select shop down here. And then over in this option, you can grab this slider and just drag it over here until you get to the option to switch races. Now, you're going to have to get rerolls to do this, and it may take some time, but go ahead and get some race rerolls or earn rerolls for free through gameplay. And whenever you first start the game, you will get those rerolls, but many people miss unlocking the second race slot, so you may only have one right now. There's 2 race slots at the beginning, and then you unlock the 3rd slot at level 100, so just keep that in mind. Once you do have at least 2 races, all you have to do, once again, is just hit T to open up the shop, and then select race menu down here, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you simply need to go ahead and just change your race by these race slots right here. But that is it. Change it, you'll switch instantly, and you'll keep all the perks and advantages from whichever one you do select. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.